Cutest hiccups ever.
Soaking?
Oh, Cokie. Oh!
Did you touch the red wall?
Get your basket.